Hello guys, and this video is sponsored by Skillshare. किडिंग टोटली किडिंग ओके लाइक कौन ही मेरे को 193 सब्सक्राइबर के साथ स्पॉन्सरशिप देगा. That's not possible, right? Whatever. Now speaking of subscribers, 91% of the viewers are not subscribed. What the heck is going on, viewers? Subscribe to my channel, please. If you're liking it, subscribe it. Whatever. So, as you know from the video title as well, like we gonna make a kind of review of Skillshare today. Like not specifically of Skillshare, but what is my opinion about it? Like because there are tons of YouTuber promote our Skillshare, as we know, and Skillshare spent a lot on their marketing budget. To be honest, for the customer acquisition, because obviously their customer acquisition cost must be higher, as they're like literally tying up with any influencer that are right now available in the market. And rather than that, advertising, marketing, all of those things are there. So after all of those advertisement, I subscribe to the plan actually, and not without trying any free trials. Okay, I haven't like taken any 1 month free trial or 2 month free trial, 3 month free trial, nothing like that. I have just subscribed for it. Yeah, I got discount, but yeah, I have just subscribed for it just to see like how it's going on and all. Like I had a lots of expectation for it, but yeah, we're gonna see what happened next. Okay, so let's get straight into it. Let's roll out the intro and let's just dive into the platform directly. Okay. So here you can see my Skillshare dashboard, right? So first of all, in terms of UI UX, I gonna give them full marks because yeah, it looks great, it feels great, and it's in proper way. Okay, so that's one thing. Another thing is okay, like if you see their mobile app, I didn't like that too much because that has bare minimal options in it. Totally like I don't know why they have made it like totally waste of time and money to make such app. At least gives like a proper UI interface. They made it too simple. Like they tried to make it too simple that they have like lost many of the features over there. So yeah, it is great for viewing the content, learning it, but rather than that, in terms of searching and all, like it's okay, okayish. Okay, it's most of the time it's okayish, not that much intuitive, I would say. Whatever, we are not talking about the mobile app here. We are talking about the platform and their courses. Now, first thing first, and someone has to say it, like have to. Okay, Skillshare has a lot of shit courses. Seriously, shit. Like I may sound too much angry about it because yeah, they have let me down in these things, to be honest. Because uh, when I was searching for the courses and all, what I see is like there are tons of instructors, tons of courses that are made poorly, like seriously poorly. But Skillshare is such a community that like prefers to have high quality content, right? This is what you show to others. And I have actually written the same thing to them as well. Like, why do you have such low quality courses in your platform, in your community? Just remove all of those because no one wants that. Just remove all of those and keep only the best, like quality contents, because that's what people uh, prefers, like that's what people expects from you, Skillshare. And if you are listening to it right now, please don't give me any copyright claims, okay? and don't turn my channel down, but just listen to it. Key and take those feedbacks. Clear your community. Maybe help some of the creator to give them great look and feel who make great content. Like suppose right now I have watch listed, like saved this class, but I haven't tried it yet. I still don't know how it is or how it's gonna turn out. It has just 82 students and 3 hour of content about TypeScript. Now this is the only like TypeScript content that I have found out, like that I found out, like okay, okay, like I haven't seen the intro yet, but this is the only content that I can have here that have some like some content in it. This is of 3 hours. Okay, rather than that, it the other courses were like pathetic, to be honest. And here comes another thing, that is in Skillshare you will get less of coding type of things. Okay, I don't know why they're like giving it a lesser opportunity or try. Maybe like coding creators are in different platforms, like Udemy maybe, or like in Coursera, but I don't know why that is. But still, here are some of the instructors. Like suppose this instructor Alvin Wan. I recently I saw this first, like this AIML video first, but when I like go to his profile and when I see all of his courses, he make great courses, yeah. And he is not even, and he has not any original, like a Skillshare original courses over here. This is just general courses videographed by him, or like sure taken by him, and this is a normal courses. And this course doesn't even get an a staff selection also, but they should be. Like he made such a content that is obviously like any day applicable for Coursera original. Like maybe it's not original, not Coursera, maybe it's not Skillshare original, but any day it can be a staff selection, because he make great contents. His videos are great. The way he breaks down concepts are great. Like he's a great guy teaching over here. Okay, so he is some of the like in most of like, there are too many content creators, but he is someone of them whom I love, like really liked a lot. And he has potential. Same goes for this woman. She is Cynthia Moore, and she was not was, she is senior UX at Google. So but still I'm not judging her by her post and all, but the quality of content she has, okay, and it is a Skillshare original as well, that's why I watched it in the first place. But yeah, all of the Skillshare original contents are great. I can like bet you on it. Okay, they are obviously great. Skillshare put enough like enough like effort to make their original content the best content, to be honest. So I will give like full points to this section. But in community control, I have already said it. I have already like let my all of the bharasses out. Okay, whatever. Some of the other courses that I like much, it's like I will show you my classes what I am doing in right now, because this is not any secret. Whatever, I will show you my lists. Okay, what I have right now in my list. Okay, wait, why they aren't showing in my list? Okay, oh, actually they are in my saved list, yeah, not my list. Okay, whatever. So I have some casual writing on, but I don't know how this is. Okay, now here is another thing. Maybe some of the creators make great content, but a creator will always not have all of the like skills to make a course perfect. Like, maybe he can produce great content, maybe he or she has the like uh, capability to uh, make you understand better, or maybe they can shoot better, but somehow they fails to create great thumbnails that looks lucrative to the students. So Skillshare should take an initiative for those creators to help them out, make a great thumbnail at least that can catch more students. Because this is really a little thing that we can obviously do for the creators, like great creators. Because at last, if you want to make a great community, if you want to maintain your standards, please do those, because those are the basic things that you can do to support the creators that you have. Now here is Sony Sangha. If you know Sony Sangha, like, he has a lot of videos in YouTube already, where he like clones everything from Tinder to Facebook to YouTube, everything. Like, he's crazy and he do everything with React JS. So I really like him, like his contents, but his contents are a bit lengthy, so I don't watch all of it, but yeah, some of it. And he has a crash course in here as well, so I will obviously opt for it. Then this is the only Node.js masterclass which is 15-hour long. Okay, and this just having Node.js. That's why I have saved it here. Then another great course I would say, wait, and another thing I would have to have to mention, that is uh the UX related course or the graphics related course that Udemy has is really great. Specifically talking about the original courses, because they have more value, because they are produced by Skillshare. Okay, so they are obviously good. Now here I would like to show another. Yeah, Brad Traversy, the full for like React course by Brad Traversy, that is a 14-hour course. It is over here, but it's having just 115 students. That is seriously less amount of student. Like, regarding how great this person is, Brad Traversy make great courses. He's a great instructor, to be honest. And like, I have been following him a lot to learn a lots of things. Okay, so I love it. I really love it. And yeah, so basically those are my skills. And yeah, here we have here Ali Abdullah as well. We all know how productive this man is. Like, he's a doctor, plus he takes note like geek or god. Okay, so he's great in that as well. He has a lot of productivity tips as well for you. So that's something great. Okay, so all of those courses that I have saved over here, I have completed one of the course that was about the basics of designing, and I really like this course. Now you may ask, Mehul, you are already a designer, why you are like taking a course in basics? Because uh, whatever it may be, we always have to like rejuvenate our roots. Because पौधा जितना भी लंबा होता है, like जितना भी बड़ा होता है, you still keep on putting water into the roots, right? This is something like that. You have obviously have to like nourish your root a lot just to grow. Okay, so that's my basic philosophy. So that's about it, what I think about Skillshare. I have been using it for a week now, and let me know if you like to see a 1 month overview, maybe, or maybe a 1 year, 6 months, whatever you want to like. But is it value for money? Uh, of course it is, because if I only consider the good courses, still you are getting your value for money, because the course is about 1200 to 1500 for the first year of subscription. And You will get 1 month free if you join through my link. I will obviously put that into my description. You can join through that and use it for 1 month and see if you like this platform or not. And rather than that, how it is compared to Udemy, if you may ask. So Udemy and Skillshare has no comparison, to be honest, because their models are totally different. In Udemy, you are getting single course for a single purchase, and you are getting it for a lifetime. But here you are giving 1 year of subscription for unlimited amount of course. Whatever you may wanna like, you can learn it from here. So you may ask like, then what is better? To be honest, both of them are better in their own way, because suppose in Udemy you know someone who make great courses, like I know Abdul Bari. Abdul Bari sir make great, the best possible computer science tutorials or courses. So I would obviously love to buy his courses. There's no problem, like I would not hesitate to spend my money over his courses. And Udemy often gives a discount in every of their courses, so I will obviously buy that, right? On the other hand, if I am looking for a new, like new some skills or something like that, and if I don't know the creator or the stuff, like the uh, yeah, creator I would say, or the instructor, but still have to opt for it. Mm, I may buy it, I may buy a course, and then I find out that this creator really sucks. He doesn't know what he's talking about. Then my money gonna get into waste, right? On the other hand, Udemy, like in Skillshare, we have a lots of course, lots of shit course as well, as I have said before. So this is a mixed experience, and if you can find all of the good courses out of here, you would be like grateful to have those. Okay, so that's it. That's the closing note about this whole experience. So that's about it about this video. Let's wrap up. So if you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to the channel, and please subscribe. 91% aren't subscribed. Please subscribe. And if I don't know what, if you know about some of these courses, if you know about some of the best courses in Skillshare, please let me know. Share those links with me. I would like to check them out as well. Okay, so bye for now.